Hello and welcome to my channel. We are back with another haul. I'm trying to find the perfect website for mature fashion. Yeah, it don't matter. You know what? Fashion is what you think it is, and it has nothing to do with age. We are just mature adults that have aged beautifully, and we want to rock the same fashions we did when we were younger. But hey, we can't do everything. We're going to have to stay in our lane just a little bit. We don't have the same beautiful soft skin that we had when we were 21. So we got to, we got to work with what we got. So that being said, let me tell you what I got and where I shopped. This little thing I have on is just some little shorts that I got, and I like these shorts because they are the stretch ones, so they give me plenty of room. And this little camisole I think I got last year, but yeah, it snaps in the back, so I like that. It's just cute to throw on a Saturday if you're going out shopping or something like that. They used to wear these a long time ago, and they come in and out of fashion in a lot of different varieties. So listen, if you got them in your closet from back in the day, just keep yanking the stuff out, because it just keeps going around in circles. Fashion never dies, it just repeats. So, hey, just, if you can pack it away, throw some mothballs in it and keep it, because it's coming back around. So anyway, let's get back into this haul. So these items came from, I believe, a store called I'm gonna have to put that in the description box. I think it's called Lancome. I believe that's the name of the store. Anyway, so I got these items on there, but one thing I found out about some of these stores, they are about all the same, just different names. The store just has the same stuff, just different names. Because I probably went to a whole lot of shops and was like, oh, this is so cute. And it was the same thing I had already purchased. So yeah, I got a bunch of double stuff. And I'm going to be giving away some items that I purchased. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel for that giveaway. Most of those items are in a size medium and large, so probably a small or a medium sized person can wear them. But hey, if you want to squeeze in them, by all means, join the contest. And this is for everybody. I will ship them for free, but you must be subscribed to my channel in order to win those clothes. Okay, so this one I got, oh, this is a two-piece thing. Who knew? Okay, let's see. So, okay, I remember this. These are the pants that I got, and I think I got these pants because they kind of opened up on the side. So I'll show you how I paired these, and I got them in gray. I'm not sure why. Gray is not my favorite color. I usually go for bright summery colors, but yeah, let's just say this is what I ordered, which I don't think so, but you never know. So these are cute. The material is nice. Yeah, it looks like it's well made. It's not a shoddy. It's almost like it's a stretch material. This feels almost like material you get when you order stretch pants. So it feels sort of like that. So I'll show you how I ordered these in a medium, and I'm glad I did. If I'd have ordered them any larger, I think they would have been too big, but this is the way these pants look. And let's see the top. Probably could have used a large in the top. So yeah, the top is cute. It's got these little flared sleeves, so I like that. The problem that is going to be had is if you have large breasts, which I do, you are not going to be able to go braless in this. Yeah, no. And if you put on a bra, it's going to lift this top up so much that your tatas are going to be showing underneath this bra. Well, we're going to give it a try. We're going to give it a try because we already purchased it. But I'm probably going to have to use a different shirt with these pants because I will be rocking them. So we might have to tuck something underneath this shirt. But anyway, so this is cute. I think this is a win. And let's see what else I got. Ah, some jeans. Let's see. Let's see. And I got some jeans. Okay, so I ordered these jeans in a medium. And yeah, these are cute. They are not stretch jeans. They're just regular jeans. I probably ordered these to go with the shirt I was rocking in my other video. These are boy jeans, well, men jeans, husband jeans, whatever jeans. And that's why I ordered them. They look like they will fit okay. I am not really feeling these great big holes right here. So what I might do to this is change them up just a little bit. I got some little pearls and diamonds I might bling them out with, but we'll wait and see how that goes. Or you could take some patches, you know those old patches that Mom used to put on your clothes when they were wearing out? Some of y'all might know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all might not. But for those of you who do, you know where to find those things at. They might look good underneath these, so you might want to even try those out. They got them in a lot of different colors these days. So I might even try that, or some different patterns. I do like the little teeny ones though, so yeah, those are cute. Anyway, I'm going to pair these pants up and tell you how they look. From the back, that's what they look like. So they got just as many tears in the back as they do in the front. And I'm not a jean wearer for the summer. I think it's like too damn hot for that. But I think that pair is a win. So let's go with this little outfit. I like that little bags that they come in. I think you can store your clothes back in here when you're putting them in away for the summer. I usually pack my summer clothes in little containers. And I've been saving these little bags to try to put them back into these bags for the summertime. Oop, this has a little belt to go to it. So I keep those, but not a necessity. Some people don't. This is a little, what the hell is it? Oh, crap. It's a jumper. Isn't this cute? I didn't even know I had this. But well, that goes to tell you. I might have ordered it too big, which I think I did. I ordered it in a medium. This is a big ass medium. But that's okay. It's we gonna try this on anyway. It might be pretty loose, It ties in the back, and it has this little belt that goes with it. So I'm going to see what it looks like when I put it on. Maybe it adjusts. I don't know what the purpose of these little buttons are right here. Yeah, I don't like that. I think that has I think it takes away from the top, but whatever. So yeah, I'll try this on. It has a little tie in the back, so it comes down kind of low. So we'll see. But yeah, this must be one of those loose fitting little dress pantsuits. It's got pockets. That's pretty cool. So it may be really, really cute. I have to try it on and see. So yeah, I think it is one of those really loose fitting outfits that you kind of put on with some little heels or flip-flops or something like that. When you just want to be casual but you still want to be kind of chic. So put this on and see how it looks. I think this could be a win, because you do like loose items when you just kind of chilling out at home. And this I was really excited about. This is the one I almost put in my cart like twice from 2 different sites that I was looking at. Although I was going to put in 2 different colors. If you don't know me, you know one thing. I am a crazy fanatic about cartoons. I love cartoon characters, cartoon t-shirts. I love Mickey Mouse. I love Marvel characters. I love Marvel movies. That's just my thing. I go to all of them. I watch all of them. I know all the characters. I just love those movies. I've always loved them. So anyway, I got this little jumpsuit and I absolutely love it. I love this outfit. It's made out of nylon, although it kind of feels like silk. It is just so cute. It's got like little characters on it, and it's just a cute little outfit. Some would say probably too youngish for my age, but you know what? I'm gonna rock this anyway because I like it. It is just freaking cute. It's a jumper. It's got a beautiful collar on it. It is well made. You could put on a nice pair of tennis shoes with this. It's got pockets. They're not deep pockets, but cute pockets. Get a nice belt to go around this. I would of course be rocking a red belt or something like that. It's got legs with a little bit of elastic on them. This is of course a little bit see-through, but the fabric is nice and light for the summertime. Put on a nice little undergarment with this. Make sure you do. And yeah, this is just freaking cute, and it buttons up in the front. But it is a well-made outfit. They have these in a lot of different colors. It's just freaking cute. I cannot wait to rock this outfit, and that is all I have for you. So go out, check out this website, and put some items in your cart. Don't forget to have fun with your wardrobe. Age is just a number, but we have to remember to sort of stay in our lane, or should I say make your own lane and then stay in it. Just remember to buy clothes that are best for your body type, your body shape, and your size, so that you will look good in everything that you wear and your confidence will soar. So see how I paired these outfits at the end of my video, and you can show me what you put in your cart. Let me see if you picked up any items from this website, and let me see how you rocked them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of great videos coming up. I've got a haul coming where I've gone out to a new store to see what I could pick up. So stay tuned. Love you guys so much, and kisses. I'm gonna rock this outfit, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna rock this outfit, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, yeah. How the girls whip their hair. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I'm gonna have whiplash.